Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. Asisha Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Asisha's running. Let's start with your reading, and this is going to be right from 26th April till 2nd, like 2 May 2021, though timeless, okay? Wow, I heard few words. Caress. How you say it as caress, like care. CARESS. I hope it's right. If not, don't get offended. But it's someone who is doing like this, okay? Taking care, okay? Who is doing it? And there's a care. Someone who is caring for you. And they're saying, love you. Someone is in love with you or they love you. There's a whole ambience of, I heard the word healing. There's one word, heal, is definitely coming for you guys. I know it's a basic word. People say it more. I say it, everyone says it, and everyone needs it, or they need it in this time frame. But the message and the energy is very calm, like it's coming like a flow, okay? I feel very light, as you can see in my tone as well. It is coming very light. Sometimes it's just very energetic, sometimes like, and that's what I see. Okay, let's start with your overall vibe in this time frame. I feel people are getting healed from inside, actually getting healed. Nine of Pentacles energy. Someone is getting free from something. I feel that. It's independence, it's taking care of self-respect, but there is someone who is loving you right, or there is someone who does know how to love you right. That's more appropriate, I feel. It's also your own phase of getting free from load. Possible this is transformation. This is physical transformation as well, to be honest. This is also something taking care of your finances. This is something that you're getting free from unauthentic things, and that's what we know as healing, okay? It's like you know where you are, you know where you stand. Financial independence, you're happy. I feel this is your energy. You're entering in a phase, or you entered, and that's what you grew, you know. Possible alone, possible, that's your journey, and that's your I'm hearing fitness, that's your fitness, that's your journey, that's your healing. That's what you captured till now. That's your entry to your empire or your castle, however you want to say. But look at the energy. She's so confident. I see confidence, I see healing, I see pentacles, I see certain kind of celebration around you. You know how to handle something. This is what is. And you have the bottom energy is 10 of Swords. I feel that you took certain wise decision, or you are taking, and this is something that you are coming out of. It's like the last phases when something is there in your back, like a stress or something, but it is also coming out, and there is no more bleeding, as if like you're free from something. To cut it short, it's like you became wise and you healed from something, okay? It's like you're growing from unable to decide, to talk, to feel empty, and then finally realizing, okay, I cannot expect anything from this. But I feel that there is something connected with the care, something that is healing. Maybe it's as an individual happening in your life. Maybe there is someone, okay, look, there is someone after the pause. There is something after disappointment. 5 of Cups. There is something that you possible thought of like, why? But then you got freedom, or you got free from something, you heal. And then there is the Lovers. Maybe a Gemini. With the Lovers, you're with the right one, or you're going to be with the right one. With the Lovers, definitely what I heard is like someone who is doing like this. So maybe you're entering in a relationship, you're getting free. You're no longer, or you will no longer be single. And if you're not single, you are with someone, then this makes sense, because there is someone who is caressing you, pampering you, taking care. This may go vice versa. Care, heal, okay? There is a healing love in your life. Wow. The Star may be an Aquarius or a Gemini, but Virgos, I feel this is about whatever you wanted to achieve, you're getting it. It's like the position is getting organized. It's like your emotions are getting stabilized. It's like someone is pouring emotions in your life. Interesting. So your overall energy is about either two things. This is about you already in, you're no longer single. It is just about also one offer is coming your way and you are taking it, and that's it. Okay, so you go in for 10 of Pentacles energy. which is like confirmation. I feel Knight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, but I feel this is Virgo, your energy, which is about pickup energy. It's something steady and unique and authentic, and nothing unauthentic is in your life, which is authentic energy is coming. It's an offer, okay, and it is also something coming towards you. It's your move. It's a move towards something better. Wow, Knight of Cups energy is also here. Maybe you are undecisive right now, but it's going to get through. Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is an offer. This is love. This may be an apology that was possible, was on hold, or what we say is pending or something. Two of Swords energy. Something is consistently in your mind, but this is also in lookout, okay? So you are looking out for that particular thing. You know that it's here, okay? So I feel like you'll have that, whatever you want. I feel this week you're going to be way more energetic, okay? Some of you completed 9 years or 10 years of your relationship with someone, and it feels good. It feels good because you made the right decision, okay? But if it is something else, then you're about to enter in. There's a flow in your life, flow of money as well. I heard blossom. Okay, Five of Pentacles. So I had that thought of like non-Nine of Pentacles, and yes, I said blossom. So maybe there is a blossom happening amongst or in the midst of this whole cold region area, something that is gone, something that you lost, something that was disappointing, something that is over or abusive. Someone over here is free from this particular thing, possible relationship where you're going to get. Some of you are getting into very healed relationship now. There are many things that this energy is telling me, because with the Five of Pentacles, there is still something here. Look at the flower that's going to grow. And as I said, bloom, and you got this. So something that was in cold region, it was always like this, it's getting free from, and you are having the sun. That's why it's all flowers are growing. That's why these pentacles are growing. Everything is so assured. There's assured relationship or assurance of your life that is healed, especially from Five of Pentacles. So you're working on this energy, okay? I'll be back. Look, very interesting. I'm going to start from where I left Virgos. I feel that there is the big transformation in your life. If you look at it, it's right from Five of Pentacles to Nine of Pentacles. It's something that you got to release from. It's something that melted. It's something that you took a lot of care for yourself. This is big transformation in your relationship, in your healing, in your emotional situations, in your love or work situations, okay? Something that you might have thought of like it is the requirement that I need to let it go, and when you did, it was difficult, yes, of course, but something that went away or you let it go is finally making you realize, oh my God, that was the biggest or beautiful decision of my life. Very interesting. Hanging on with something that is abusive, or hanging on with something that is no longer giving you any leaves, but it's like more of like a cold dominance and cold relationship. Many of you are getting free from that. Let me tell you that. Wow, I heard the word, you got it. You had Two of Pentacles energy and the Empress, okay? I really wanted the Empress to come out, because while I was shuffling, I saw it, but I thought like when. So it's like your own position, and you are very, very happy. Some of you are going to get into a relationship. Just give me a second. It's so cold. So some of you are going to get into a relationship that is worth, and that is no longer confusing you. It's like you are realizing, or you're making a prioritization here. No more juggle here, okay? It's so good to see. You're finally realizing what to choose. You're finally realizing what you need to let go. The Empress is your position. It is something also. Birth. I feel like whatever you lost or whatever was disappointing, you're finally getting it all in alignment. It's like you're going to be multitasking. It's like something that is like, it's just so easy. Okay, it's not that energy. Look at me. It's like, oh, it's not anymore like this. You're juggling it. Quite, you are multitasking. You are multi reordering, reassuring, or organizing. That's what I say. Looking forward, making plans, manifesting it. Fertile relationship. Handling the fragile situations very well. The growth is in your tiara. I see. Interesting. It's like you're saying, I reached here, I'm gonna reach there. I also see project or work related, even love related. Wow. You got the lovers with the King of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but very interesting because King of Wands energy is reversed here and you have the lovers, the Gemini. Apart from the signs, it is something that I feel like someone is killing someone's passion. This is not you. You are just, you know how to handle or how to control, and that's what is making them uneasy because you're on the go and you have something that they don't have. Interesting. It's like you're going to do like this. I also have a choice because you did this. Okay, so this is what is the call of, like, it doesn't matter if you're not along, or if you're not with me, if you're not taking care, if you're not giving me what you said, I don't need you. Okay, there is a wise decision coming. I'm telling you, even with the Ten of Swords energy, there was wise decision that was coming. I feel someone is regretting, or they're going to regret. Okay, regret creating such an aura, because I feel possible this is from someone who just is connected with your past energy, especially with the Five of Pentacles, or who is the cause of like juggle and all that confusion. The reason is that you're on the go. I'm telling you, there is a caress, there is care, there is healing. With this lovers, you're going in with something that is more appropriate and more authentic. But I also feel if there is someone around you who is King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or in the energy flow, they're messed up. They're messed up because of your behavior possible. Maybe it's about tables gonna turn kind of energy. The reason is that I feel they gave you that kind of energy, or hurt, or a little bit of, you know, something happened like an argument or something, unavailable energy or something, and that is this energy is getting messed up, okay, because of the behavior, because they are getting, you know, they are being served what they gave, what they did. Okay, somebody saying, oh no, as if they lost something, lost an opportunity. It's just here, it was not here. It's here, it's not. It's here, it's not. Six of Swords energy. For some cases, this person is distancing themselves and caused you trouble, or is causing you trouble. They are at a distance and they are messed up. Maybe because you are already in relationship and that causes them trouble. If not, this is what you're deciding possible. However, this may go vice versa. This may be you're already with the Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy, or emotional situation or karmic connection you are in. With the Six of Swords energy, there is distance between you and this person. There may be two you are dealing. Now, how and what is happening? You may be mother to the current relationship, child or children. If not, this may be something connected with your own relationship right now, maybe, and you're not single, okay, but you're about to. Maybe this is someone who is so messed up and is away and there's distance, okay, or maybe this is your own move and they're messed up. There's a lot. Six of Swords. Oh my God, someone is watching you from far, possible, maybe a fire sign. It is Leo, Sagittarius. There's a fire here. Or this is someone who is keeping an eye on someone. You on them, them on you. Someone is from far, possible, keeping an eye. There is someone who is agitated, someone who is messed up. This may be the sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Someone who is angry. I don't know why. Maybe because of what you're deciding. Oh my God. I don't know. I don't know. this card is like this, but Two of Pentacles energy is shining. This is not even a glow card. I don't know how come this is glowing so much. I don't know. I saw it as on my platter like it's glowing. Can you observe it? It's more glowy. There's a golden color, I know that, but it's more glowy to me. As if like it's high time to decide something. I heard that someone is getting their own taste of whatever they did. So it's like tables gonna turn, kind of, for some cases. Or they're messed up. Oh, this is your fault, honey. Maybe someone kept you in a lingering situation. Maybe they're not taking your calls, or we're not taking your calls, or anyhow goes vice versa. No matter what I do, even when I'm sleeping, you're always on my mind. They are stuck together. So river flows, it's highway call. Oh my god, it's interesting. Maybe that's your storyline, honey. You are making the big move. It's highway call. Someone who is traveling, making a move with the Six of Swords, yes. River flows, love will never stop. Something is coming towards you. It's high time someone will make a decision, and someone may end up getting messed up because of their own attitude, because of their own ego more. Love is flowing, definitely. Just look at it. River flows. And it's like something that's not going to stop. It's like one step. You waited, you decided, you asked, and then you moved because you did this kind of energy for a long time. And now you're very confident about making your decision. That's why Two of Pentacles is glowing. Six of Swords, again, river flows. River will flow. So the movement is here. Nothing gonna stop. Okay, because time is slipping for someone. It's highway call. It's high time. It's something that you're manifesting. I hope this is going to help you. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.